Welcome to the Pink Gin Honeymoon Penthouse Oceanfront Club Level Room. Today we're at Sandals Grenada, and this is going to be room category HPO. And for those of you who are interested, this is room 1316-1316. Hey there, I'm Madison, CEO and founder of Reliant Destinations and MyCaribbeanLuxury.com, and today I am delighted to welcome you to this channel, Mr TraveLux. Here at this spectacular resort, we're going to have an insider view of this particular room in just a moment, but before we do so, you to look in that description below where there is so much information you don't want to miss. For those of you watching on a smart TV, we'll also put up a QR code here where you can have a look. In that description, you'll find things like an insider guide and some beautiful digital brochures of this resort, some other information you'll want to know, and also some information about our complimentary concierge services. For those of you looking to book that perfect tropical trip to paradise, make sure to reach out. We would love to see how we can be of assistance, and you can get in touch at hello@reliantdestinations.com. Again, that's hello@reliantdestinations.com. But for now, let's go and have an insider look at this amazing room together. Are you ready? Let's go. So there you have it. This is the Pink Gin Honeymoon Penthouse Oceanfront Club Level Room at Sandals Grenada. I hope you enjoyed this insider peek together. Again, if we could be of any assistance, maybe learning more about this particular room, a different resort, or any other Sandals or Beaches Resort property, please make sure to reach out to my team and I. Again, that's hello@reliantdestinations.com. We thank you for the moment of your time. Thank you for stopping by this channel. Please remember to like this video and subscribe for lots of more exclusive content about Sandals and Beaches Resorts. It's been great having you on this channel today. I'll see you around. Take care.